Even more bubbles. Yay!
My name's Jacksepticeye.
Everybody wanna be in the vlog.
Yeah.
This guy wanna be in the vlog. This guy want Philip. Everyone wants to be in the vlog. Stop showing the finger, dumbass. Somebody's fighting back there. Hello, mates. Trigger under here with Alexander and doing another vlog. This is right after the first one, the one we just did with the science and shit. Remember that one?
I remember.
Good. You weren't in it though. Or no, wait, you were. You were annoying in it.
Trigger just.
We're doing science shit now.
Bobler rigtig meget. Næsten med vand bobler endnu mere. Nu ligger jeg på noget fenolftalein i. Det vil sige, hvis det bliver basisk, så bliver det lyserødt. Jeg lægger lige den her ovenpå. Så lægger jeg et stykke metal. Skal jeg filme nu? Nej, ikke nu. Så lægger jeg et metal ovenpå. Det her metal, det er natron. Og det er jo nogle stykker, jeg har skåret ud. Og så når det kommer ovenpå, så reagerer det med vandet. Og så laver det hydrogengas. Men det laver det så hurtigt, at det når at antænde jer. Ligesom den der luftballon, der var i gamle dage.
Er det en høj eksplosion i altså, det er bare, nej, det er bare en Snapchat, tror jeg.
Siger det bum?
Skal vi, hvad laver du? Vlog.
Siger det barn! Vi kommer på YouTube, mennesker.
Den, der sidder tæt på. Hvis det sker, at det her springer op over uden for jer, skynd jer for væk. Og jeres hår, hvis der er noget, der rører ved håret.
Jesus. Oh my god. If it comes on me, I'm fucked. Jesus. Hide behind Magnus. Hello.
Jeg kan ikke lide
I'm gonna hide behind this guy, Magnus. What's up?
Jeg ser mig som bag, jeg tør ikke.
Everyone.
Oh my god. The fuck are you doing?
Den ligger så lige her.
That's Frederick. Jesus. Make name. Jesus fuck.
Jeg vil også med i din.
Yeah.
Bang!
I want to make sure I'm not getting fucked.
Yeah!
Oh! Well, that's fire. Nice! This is nice. I'm happy I'm getting this video.
Are you nice?
Is it gonna explode? Oh! It's gonna explode.
What's
It
up,
blew
Trigger's
up.
vlog?
Du har den ben.
The shit blew up. This is Nana. This is Nana. This is Maya. Got it right. I have it really hard with recognizing twins. Explode.
Per.
Is it gonna explode again? Oh,
Oh, what he doing?
that's disappointing. That's very disappointing. Though. Is it done yet? Is it done yet?
Hvor er det stadig varmt.
Oh, something's happening.
Fuck yeah, vild med fyrværkeri.
What the hell? Oh my god! That is so cool! I'm gonna hide behind you. This is gonna happen. Something's happening. Oh, that's on fire. Smoke. Yay! Oh, there's still fire. Yay! Dance. Where's my spaghetti? And Philip's gonna try to get that bottle up there. Do it, boy.